Okay, so here's a simple little trick. Instead of running back and forth to your breaker box all the time or your fuse box all the time to figure out what what breaker you got to switch off or what fuse you got to pull out to do an outlet, try this out. Here I am at my breaker box, and I'm pretty sure it's the number 1416 combo. Turn that off. So now this is off. So instead of running back and forth to the breaker box and reading the thing and trying to figure out which one's which, just right on the back of the plate cover. And then, you can just pop it off and take a look, and then you're, good to go. Anyway, if you feel comfortable doing minor electrical work, go ahead and do it this way. If you don't feel comfortable doing electrical, just hire an electrician. And of course, find out what's proper in your state or province. Okay, talk to you later. Cheers.